In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a page in Notion. Locking a page in Notion is a quick way to protect your content from accidental edits. It's perfect for finalized documents, shared wikis, important templates, or any notes you want to keep exactly as they are. When a page is locked, the content becomes read only from your current view, which helps keep your layout and text intact. Once you're on the page you want to protect, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Overflow menu. That's the page menu, and it controls settings for the entire page. It's different from the 3 dots you might see when you hover over an individual block. Those control just that one block. Make sure you're clicking the menu in the top right of the page itself. Click the 3 dots in the top right to open the page menu. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Lock Page. You'll see a simple toggle next to it. Turn that toggle on. The moment you do, the page is locked. What does that mean in practice? You'll notice you can no longer type into text blocks, drag and drop content, or add new blocks. If you try to edit something, Notion will prevent the change until the page is unlocked again. This helps you avoid the classic scenario of nudging a heading out of place or overwriting a section by mistake when you're moving fast. A quick tip to avoid confusion. If you don't see the lock option where you expect it, double check that you're in the page menu at the top right, not a blocks mini menu. The page lock applies to the entire page, so it lives in the page level controls. Locking a page is also helpful when collaborating. It's a gentle, visible signal to teammates that the content is finalized or should stay unchanged. Keep in mind, locking is a safeguard against accidental edits rather than a strict permission barrier. People with the appropriate access may still be able to unlock and make changes later, so use it as a way to preserve structure and prevent slip-ups. That's all there is to it. Open the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of your Notion page and toggle on Lock Page. With that single switch, you've added a reliable layer of protection to keep your work clean, consistent, and exactly how you want it.